I'm Mike Flatley here with Amcor Technology at IMAPS DPC, and I'll be talking about MLF cost of ownership. The main objective of this work was to see if we could come up with a BOM, bill of materials, that we could produce at a low cost with MSL1. Basically, MSL1 is your moisture sensitivity level to give the customers an opportunity to pay less without all the extra processing for an MSL2 or MSL3 type package. So the biggest hurdle to the MSL1 low-cost solution was identifying an epoxy that we could work with the leadframe to come up with basically see if we could get them to pass MSL1 without any delamination. So that was the main goal for them. What company is the best for MLF or QFN solutions? Is Amcor, of course.